Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how you can make your Notion pages even more interactive and engaging with feedback widgets provided by Actions. Let's get started. Whether you're collecting opinions on your latest blog post, want to know if your team enjoyed the last team building, or to track your moods, these widgets have got you covered. First, let's set up a feedback widget step by step. Head over to Actions.so and select Feedback Widgets from the widget categories. There are several types to choose from: emoji reactions, number ratings, and even polls. Pick the one that best fits your needs. Next, customize it. You can change the colors to match your brand, tweak the question, or choose different feedback options to suit whatever you're using this feedback widget for. It's all about making it engaging for your audience. Once you're happy with your widget, copy the embed code. Head over to your Notion page now. Choose where you want the widget to be, type embed, and paste the code into the block that appears. And voila, your feedback widget is live. Now that you know how to set up a feedback widget, let's talk about how you can use them. With the feedback widgets by Actions, unregistered and registered users alike can vote on the widgets. First, you could use it to gather feedback on a blog post or any other publication. Gather instant reactions on your posts. It's a fun way to leave an impression without the need for a full comment. Alternatively, if you're planning an event, use a poll widget to let your audience vote on what they'd like to see next. Or as a personal touch, you can use feedback widgets for mood tracking. Imagine adding an emoji feedback widget to your daily journal page in Notion, with each emoji representing a different mood. Just select the emoji that matches how you felt at the end of the day. And that's a wrap on setting up and using feedback widgets provided by Actions. These widgets are a game changer for engaging with your audience directly within your Notion pages. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Actions.so for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to use our affiliate link to support us. Check out our links in the description.